Hello everyone, my name is Lori Bradner with Florida Aviation Network, and we are broadcasting live and in the clear from our studios here in Orlando, Florida. And before we begin today's show, it is absolutely essential that we welcome our guest affiliates and say thank you for your continued support. I would like to start by thanking Bill Stull and Joel Wiener in Jacksonville with the Civil Air Patrol. Terry Kurtz from South Lakeland, as always, we want to say thank you to you. Glenn Sims in Lakeland with the Civil Air Patrol, near and dear to our hearts. Paul, Adrian, and John Weber, you are in Leesburg, joining us from Leesburg with the EAA Chapter 534. We welcome and we thank you. Barbara Phillips, as always, thank you for your affiliation with Florida Aviation Network and your support. You are joining us from Orlando with the EAA Chapter 74. Bob Jakes in Orlando with the Orlando FSDO. Welcome, and as always, thank you. Vicki Sherman joining us all the way from Ormond Beach with the Civil Air Patrol. Keith Phillips is joining us, and we thank you. You are in Spruce Creek with the EAA Chapter 288. Joe Schmaltz in Titusville with EAA Chapter 866. And we'd like to extend a thank you to our affiliate, Brenna Wright in Sanford. Brenna is with the Naval Air Station Sanford Information Headquarters. Thank you, as always, for your affiliation and support. Bill McClung in Tampa with the NASF and FAN. Also, Michael Minner in Tampa with the Tampa FSDO. Welcome. Dennis Hayes in Fort Myers with the EAA. We'd also like to thank and welcome William, better known as Billy, Hadaway in Birmingham with the Birmingham FSDO. Thank you again for your affiliation and for your support. Sam Gross with the TPA FAST team. Barry Simmons in Inverness with EAA Chapter 1674. Tommy Diedemann in Live Oak with the EAA Chapter 797. We'd also like to thank our affiliates, John Licardi and Michael Ketchpaw. They're in Fort Pierce with EAA Chapter 908. Rob Williams, as always, we like to say thank you to you for your continued support and affiliation. You are joining us from South Carolina with the Triple Tree Aerodrome. And we'd also like to thank Laura Spoler in Orlando, as always, with Florida. She is in Florida with the Women in Aviation. We would also like to welcome two new affiliates and thank you for your affiliation and your support of the Florida Aviation Network, and that is Jim Waymeyer and Cress Wise in the Villages with the Villages Aviation Club. Thank you to all of you for your affiliation, for your continued support over the years with Florida Aviation Network. My name is Lori Bradner, and we're broadcasting live and in the clear, and I'm going to turn it over today to our host.